Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Yesterday Tesla pumped a little bit, the rest of the market quite flat. Bitcoin and Ethereum staying at where they pumped to. We're going to jump in charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and World also had a massive pump yesterday, so we'll check out World. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. If you have any questions or tickers you want me to analyze, let me know in the comments down below. And all the links to what we're doing here, how to learn what we're doing, all in the description. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technicals. My account's sitting now at 862. This week from 784 to 862. So 80k this week, 78k this week, which is beautiful. This month, from the low was 729 to 861, so almost up 70 plus 60, 130 this month. The account started at 806, so really 50 something this month. Last 3 months from 560 to 862, which is beautiful. Most of these gains coming from my Bitcoin trades. You can see where I've been buying Bitcoin. I added on the 4th of July at 107. I added at 106, and most of the trade added at 98 on that tariff, the fear dip with the war with Iran. I added exactly at the bottom, which is amazing. Now we're at 117. Funding fee is positive. My Bitcoin trade, $54,000 in the profits. I paid $775 in fees to make $54,000 in profits. And with the Ethereum trade we bought, you can see here, mostly on that Iran news at 2149. Now we're at 2953. Funding fee is also positive, and $274 in fees to make $28,000, which is beautiful. Let's go into the technicals. The day has already reset, but I took a screenshot of it. The day we had this day, you can see what Uni was up a bit, Bitcoin was up a little bit, Tesla was up a little bit, everything else quite flat on the day, which is beautiful. Let's go into the technicals. We're going to technicals on Bitcoin, 117. My watch list is what I buy or earn. We're going to technicals on the weekly. We've got 2 days left now. You can see here, huge weekly candle. Look at that. The last 3 weeks, we went from 100,000, 98,000, where we bought, to 117,000. And this weekly candle went from 107 to 118,849. Massive weekly candle. Stochastic still heading up. Squeeze mob still heading up. You learn how to read these and set these up in the charts in the crypto master course in the description down below. And we still have this huge bull flag playing out on Bitcoin. We also have another pattern that I see, which is this. I've been talking about this massive inverse head and shoulders. Shoulder, head, shoulder. And this target is the distance of the head. So if we measure out this distance of this head and shoulder here, target would be 150k, $146,000 target. And most people thought I was joking when I said this before, but now you see we're quite high up there, which is beautiful. We have big major support now at 112,000. Let's go closer on the daily. The bots haven't changed yet. I'll check in 2 days. We'll know if the indicator bots change. The Bitcoin indicator, and these bots are going to be released independently in about 8 days. The crypto bots are going to be released. You can see Crypto Guru bot fire to buy at 24k in 2023, still going, and Bitcoin indicator bot fire to buy at 80k, and it's still going. Both still showing buys. You get it in the master course, jamescryptoguru.com, but soon they'll be released in 10 days independently. And you can see on the daily, we see also this inverse head and shoulder, shoulder, head, shoulder, and that's already launched out. Target is 46k, and then you can see the bull flag, pole, and then flag, and the target of that, the base of the pole, is 137, and we're already breaking out of there perfectly. Look at that, perfectly broke out of my bull flag. Stochastic still heading up, squeeze mob still going green. On the 4-hourly, we're pushing out new highs. It's bull flagging each time. So you can see he created a bull flag and then just pumped. After it launched out of the 107, bull flag, built pressure, and then pumped again. Now we're at 118. If you haven't taken a trade, I would try to catch this train somewhere. We could get a pullback maybe to major support here. No, we're 115. I would say maybe there's a support here, 113. Stop loss 113. I'll take a tight stop loss because we're up so much. This is the trade I would take on Bitcoin. 113,833, stop loss 113,104, and take profit at the targets. 136, 137 will be a major one. 32 risk toward risking $729 to make $23,000 with no leverage. 10x leverage will be $230,000. So risking $729 to make $23,000 per Bitcoin with no leverage. 10x leverage will be $230,000. And you can learn how to trade. If you're asking how do I do that, make sure you take the Crypto Master course to understand. Let's go into Ethereum. Ethereum 2952 on the weekly. Ethereum is pumping out. Bull flag and then pushed out. V-shaped recovery. Stochastic still heading up. Squeeze mob just starting to go green. We've got major resistance at the yearly resistance here. So we've got a few major resistance. We've got one here at 3,300. We already broke through this 2,000. We had a resistance at 2,800. It's already through. Now we have major support at 2,400 and 2,800. We have huge support here now. 2,500 and 2,800. And now we're pushing to 3,000. Weekly still heading up. Crypto Guru Bot still hasn't fired a buy on Ethereum on the weekly. Bitcoin Indicator Bot fired a buy just before the pumps, which is great to see. Let's go into the daily. You have to use all these indicators together. Remember, this rising triangle played out exactly as I said. We had a rising triangle. Who sees it? Stochastic volume still increasing. Squeeze mob still going green. And you can see this rising triangle more clearly. Played out exactly as I said. Pole. And then flag builds pressure and then breaks out the base of the triangle, and we went exactly to the target 2,800, and we actually pushed through it. We reached a high of we had a resistance at 3,000, almost 3,039, almost exactly at 3,000. Next one is 3,300, and you can see that 3,000 resistance is a major one that we're trying to push through. You can see this resistance goes back a long time, all the way to 2024. March, like 1 year resistance area here. So it would take time to break through. And if you look on the weekly, this point we are is also, you can see it's a major resistance. Going back years, even going back to 2021, where we're sitting right now, you can see it goes back to 2021, this resistance area right here. So a lot of resistance to break through. Let's see how Ethereum does. The quicker it breaks through, the stronger it's showing us. Let's go into the daily. Daily, we hit resistance. Doji candle. It's a reversal pattern here. But I'm still bullish on Ethereum and Bitcoin. I'm not going to take profits just yet because I let my winners run. But that is a big resistance area. If you haven't taken a trade, I would try to take it from a pullback. I would say major support now would be sitting at here, 2,700. I would take the trade from here. Tight stop loss because we're already high up now. And take profit the yearly resistance. This is the trade I'll take. 15 risk to reward ratio, risking $37 to make $581 per Ethereum. No leverage. 10x leverage would be 5,831. And again, I'm in both of these trades and huge profits in both of them, which is beautiful. Let's check out total market cap quickly to just get a read on the whole market. Total market cap 3.6 trillion, which is beautiful. And let's go on to the weekly. On the weekly charts, you can see we broke out of the bull flag, which was clear bull flag and clear inverse head and shoulders. You can see here, I was talking about this before. I haven't shown this since a few days, but you can see inverse head and shoulders. Target of this inverse head and shoulders is 4.6 trillion. 4.6 trillion. So we could be moving another 29% on the crypto markets. Almost 30% increase could be on the crypto markets. And when you zoom in, you can also see that we have this huge bull flag that already broke out as I predicted. Pole and flag, and that already broke out on total market cap. We're at a major resistance, the previous all-time high of the crypto markets. We're sitting at that resistance. However, this time most of it is Bitcoin, but we're sitting at the previous all-time high for crypto markets. So Bitcoin and the crypto market sitting at the 2024 all-time high at 2025 January. If it breaks through, 4.6 trillion is my target, which is beautiful. I'm going to leave it at that. All the links to do all this underneath the video, go down below. Bybit, you get a 60k bonus. Main exchange I trade in the description of the video. Telegram, it's free. You can join 9,000 traders in there. Take the crypto master course, stock guru master course, laws of money to understand all this, and you can get the bots in the crypto master course. Weex gives you a $200 bonus just for signing up. Bitunix $8,000 bonus. BingX gives you a bonus for stocks and crypto. And you can follow my Twitter also. Follow Twitter and Instagram. All the links underneath the video, and you can see some comments. I'm in the process of buying $2 million house from your video. Thank you, James. I'm at 122,000 on my investment, almost doubled my money. My portfolio just hit over $1 million today because of James and his experience. Your course is amazing. I'm buying a villa in Punta Cana. Bought your course a few months back, took some profits, bought a Harley Davidson. You can see I've got thousands of comments like this and many people making mega gains in the Telegram. Right now there's 213 of you online. The translation is working again for international languages for Telegram, which is good to see. And you can see just everyone discussing, talking. The translation's not loading for some reason, but it was just working. People sharing charts. This guy made 2,000. There was huge gains in the chat yesterday by a lot of Russian speaking joining the chat. This guy pennant on Solana receives physical card from crypto.com. Cool. Visa debit card from crypto.com, and there was mega gains in here yesterday. People sharing screenshots like crazy. Look at this chats. This is just from yesterday. Beautiful view. This guy's chilling on a boat while he's trading. This guy made 966% on Pepe. Huge gains yesterday. This is just today's chat, so you can see this is one of the most active chats. It's international, so you need to get the Telegram Premium, and the translation has been working, but seems to be again bugging out today, which is beautiful. And also follow me on X. I've got 108,100 followers, and this was me. Everything we bought on April 7th tariff pumped, which is beautiful. Many of these beautiful gains. This was yesterday in the guru chat. This guy made 17,900 on Bitcoin. This guy made $11,000 on Ethereum. Mega gains yesterday for everyone, which is beautiful. You can see my Bitcoin trades. What do all wise men have in common? Beards. I'm gonna give someone, I'm gonna scroll beards exactly appears. Beard, color, all fair and fit. So much beard, wisdom. They're old. Okay, I'm gonna pick a winner who said beard for $100. Ready? And the winner is So Much Beard, 11 Savage. You win often because you always supported me. Thank you for always supporting. You win $100. Thank you very much, Savage. You win a lot. Congratulations, because you're always supporting me, which is amazing. And thank you for everyone who's always supporting me. Ragev, Patrio, Brazil, Gabriel, you're all amazing. Let's read some of your questions. 2 of 10 yesterday's video. 4,100 people watched it here. And on X, we had 12,000 views. So about 16,000 views yesterday's video, which is beautiful. What are your price targets for Ethereum? I just showed it. Don't buy stuff you're only feeling happy for a short time. True, find inner peace. United, regain. Divided, we fall. Wanted to know if Elon is still behind Dogecoin. I think so, but I haven't been paying attention to Doge that much recently. Almost 118. I think Elon's got too much on his plate. I'm in Tesla. I'm in private investment in Grok. Good morning all. Have a wonderful day. What about Bybit giveaway? It's still going, but Bybit is going to directly deposit. That's a Bybit giveaway. They're going to deposit to people's UIDs. This is beautiful, James. Thank you, everyone. Have an amazing day. That's my updates in the market. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your weekend. Enjoy your life. Big congratulations on Bitcoin World, 20% yesterday. Ethereum pumped, World pumped, Bitcoin pumped. Uni pumped massively. Amazing gains. In the next video, I'll try to do Bitcoin and Uni, and then Bitcoin and World. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.